Hi, my name is Emily Barretto, QuickSight Specialist for ANZ. Today I'm lucky enough to be joined by Michael and Justin from Fluent Commerce, and we're going to hear a little bit about who Fluent Commerce is, what their business delivers, as well as the customers that they're working with. Great to have you both here.
Thank you.
Could we maybe start with some intros in terms of your roles at Fluent, who Fluent is, as well as the customers that you're working with?
Yeah, my name is Michael Rayner and I'm the Product Manager for Inventory at Fluent Commerce. And I work on inventory initiatives where we collaborate with our customers, partners and internal teams to make sure we're delivering the best value for the businesses that we work with.
And I'm Justin Nam, Software Engineer at Fluent Commerce, and I work in the Inventry domain, same as Michael.
Great. And so who is Fluent Commerce for those that maybe are not aware?
Yeah, so Fluent Commerce is a global software company focusing in inventory availability data at scale and distributed order management. And so we work with a range of direct-to-consumer brands and merchants across retail to make sure that we can enable them to solve two key problems. And so firstly, we're looking to provide them visibility into their inventory data throughout their whole network. We want them to know what inventory is available everywhere so they can use that inventory as best that they need. Additionally, as well, we're looking to help solve them by managing their orders and fulfilling from the best location for them. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to mean the nearest location to the customer. It can be dependent on their business rules as well as the customer's expectation to make sure that we're managing the order to the right location where it needs to go. And some of the customers that we work with are Dior, Sephora, Dulux, Aldo and JD Sports.
Wow, big brands. So it sounds like there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes. Are you able to talk a little bit around, I guess, the importance of inventory data to your business, as well as maybe what would the repercussions be of getting it wrong?
Well, we're an order management system vendor, so inventory data is at the forefront of our minds. The particular challenge we have to meet is delivering inventory updates fast, reliably, and accurately. During Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all the way to Christmas, we can expect up to 1 billion updates to hit our system. As you can imagine, the right systems have to be in place. So getting this wrong is not really an option for us.
And providing that inventory availability data in near real time is key to help solve overselling and underselling for our customers. And so if they're selling items that they don't have, they're creating poor customer experiences where they're having to refund and cancel orders that aren't available. And even worse, they can potentially be doing things like advertising products online, which aren't available, at which point they're having to then cancel those orders, cost of the refund, but then also the cost that it was to advertise those products to the customers. So all in all, it's creating a bad customer experience.
Yeah, and I understand that from a data visualization perspective and providing those insights that you use Amazon QuickSight, are you able to talk through the problem that you were solving through using this tool or using this service?
Yeah, so for us at Fluent, it was less about the problem that solves within Fluent Commerce, but instead for the problem that solves for our customers. And so we're looking to solve a few key things. Firstly, we want to give the visibility of that inventory data into the hands of our customers so they can make the best decisions around them and what works within their business to help use their inventory as best as possible. And by having that visibility across their whole network of what's available and where it's available, they can sell through all of their products and minimize the need for markdowns. And so this gets into the second problem that we're looking to solve for them, of the reduction of markdowns. When you've got leftover stock at the end of a season, you have to mark it down and sell it off cheap to get rid of it and make way for that new stock. Now this kills their margin and this isn't good and no retailer is happy to sell off. So having that better visibility, you're able to sell through all of that. And then finally, minimizing order cancellations. And so by being able to know where inventory is, and even in the cases where it may not be accurate in the location that you originally fulfill from, by having that full visibility, we're able to manage those scenarios to make sure that the customer gets a good experience and ultimately the customer is happy with minimal problems to the retailer.
Yes, so it sounds like those insights that you're providing your customers is pretty critical. Justin, could you go into the process of getting started on using QuickSight?
Sure. At Fluent Commerce, we've been with AWS since the start. So it only seemed natural that when we were looking for data visualization tools that we go with QuickSight. First, we were using it only internally in our engineering team to make business decisions. But later, it was so easy to use. We were handing the reins to our finance and customer success teams who use it to query usage across our applications.
Yeah, it's great to hear that you've been able to leverage QuickSight in different parts of the business and that the ease of use was part of that. Could you maybe talk through, Michael, some of the tangible benefits that you've seen through using QuickSight?
Yeah, and so back in 2020, we wanted to run an initiative where we could understand what performance or what platform usage was driving our platform performance. And so we were able to use QuickSight to correlate the platform usage to performance and really understand what usage is driving either performance or poor performance. And so through this, we then ran an inventory initiative where we were able to improve our inventory processing. And one of the key benefits we got out of this is we were able to reduce our internal API usage by up to 50%. This ultimately allows us to deliver inventory at uncompromised speeds.
Wow, amazing. It's been great to hear in terms of, who Fluent is and what you've been delivering so far. What's next for you?
Yeah, so for us, we're keen to put these insights in the hands of our customers. So we think about them in a few different personas, and the key one that we're looking at is our optimizer personas. And these are the users and team members within our customers who use the data to make changes and make optimizations within their business to ensure they're best using their inventory across their whole network. And so we want to put those insights directly into the hands of our customers so they can make the best decisions for them. And QuickSight is the tool that can help us do that.
Thanks for both joining me here today. It's been super interesting to hear some of the behind the scenes, and obviously we've been working together for a while, so looking forward to seeing what we can deliver for your customers going forward.
Thank you.